What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Truth, and it's not a sneaker video, but I just kind of want to start showing you guys what I'm into. You know what I'm saying? Do a little, I'm not going to say it's a tutorial. It's more of a journey. As you can tell by the title, it's me trying to get back into the wave game. I'm an old head, and I've been waving for a while on and off, and I've never been able to actually conquer my crown area or my right side to the back. It's been a trouble area. So today is just a video, not so much of how to, because I'm still trying to figure it out. I know it's a lot of YouTubers out there that you can go to figure out how to, 360 Jeezy, all these other people that I've been watching also. But my thing is more of just to show you my journey, you know what I'm saying? So in the process of me learning, you guys will learn. You know, comment below, let me know anything that you guys can help with. You know, like I said, I'm in the process of trying to get the full connection, the 360 all the way around. I don't care how the design is, the pattern is, I just want to fully connect for the first time in my life. So that would be major for me. So today's a video about brushes. I have a whole bunch of brushes. You know what I'm saying? I have brushes from the Annie brush. This brush I got many years ago. It's the only, you know, straight brush that I have. And then about maybe 2 years ago, I really got off into the crown brushes. So I have a whole bunch of the crown brushes. You know, for those that's new, the crown brushes are the ones with the angle. You know, it kind of fits to your head, stuff like that. This is a medium. I have one with the handle. Like I said, they're used. Look at that. The paint is chipped. You know, the brushes, like these things have been used. You know what I'm saying? I have a hard one that I use for in the shower. Paint's gone on that one as well. And then a softie. This thing was money green. It was butter when I first got it. But, you know, just the design of the brushes. You know, like I said, easy. Lay your hair down, the softies and stuff like that. Couple of I don't know, this one is a boar brush. Don't know where I got it from, probably Amazon. It's a straight one. I just use this whenever I cut my hair, but that's pretty much it. What I want to talk to you guys today about, this video is about the Royalty line. Torino, also Royalty brush line. They had a brush that I got off Amazon, $19.99. Y'all know I'm a Lakers fan, so it's like an unboxing. That's what this video is about. It's the Royalty King brush, the 710, in the Lakers colorway, in my opinion. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's a medium hard brush. The reason why I say that is I was looking for something. As you can see on the pictures, you can see the top of my hair via the pictures there, that my top of my hair is pretty good. The connections are not that great, but like it's wavy. The left side of my head, as you can see in the pictures, are good. It's good. Still got a little bit of connection. But then from the back, where my crown and my right hand side is a struggle spot. So I'm in about a, I'm gonna take this off. I'm in about a, I was gonna say 5-week woof. So I'm not really woofing that much, but I needed a brush where I could actually get a good pull. So I seen this brush, as you can see here, show it to you guys. Like I said, the Royalty line. It's that Laker yellow with the purple bristles. And look at that. Look how long the bristles are. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you look from this brush to this brush, look how long the bristles are. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping that it's gonna give a good pull. Like I said, I just opened it. It's the Royalty brush, Amazon, 1-day shipping if you got Prime. So you know what I'm saying? Brush Kings, shout out. But I just want to see, like, the pull on this brush in my woof is amazing, because like on this brush, as you can see here, you have your regular medium bristles, but then also this right here are your reinforced bristles that's hard. So it's kind of like a mixture of both. You know what I'm saying? Just the colorway is dope. The Lakers is my team. So you already know that I had to get this brush. The gloss on it, the shine on it is clean. I know a lot of people might not be into the way a brush look, but for me, I'm really not into it either. But this one I had to have, because you know what I'm saying, I know my Lakers are struggling, but I'm a fan. And not just that, like I said, the pull on this brush seems to be amazing. What I'm hoping to get from this brush is actually for it to work on my crown area. As you can see in the picture, the area in the back of my head that's struggling. I'm hoping that it works on that. And like I said, all I'm gonna do is take you guys on a journey. Watch it if you want to. Leave comments if you want. Let me know if you guys have the same struggles I've had with the crown and the line, and trying to get the spot, you know, the trouble area, your sides to connect, all that stuff. Kind Comments, you know what I'm saying? Advice is given. You know, this is not me trying to tell you guys how to do it. This is just me showing you my journey, my wave trip, how I want to do it. Let me say this, because I know I'm talking about this brush, reviewing it. A brush is a brush. You know, at the end of the day, you got to brush. You got to put in work. You got to brush to get your waves. But like I said, each brush serves a different purpose, just like each do-rag. You know what I'm saying? Some of them absorb, satin ones are better, whatever. You have opinions. Bottom line is this. Whether you can afford it or not, get a brush, get a do-rag, put in work, something's going to happen. Change is going to happen, progress is going to happen, waves will come. This is just, like I said, a review of a nice brush that if you got the cash and if you want to buy something, you know what I'm saying, good brush to have. Like I said, links for this brush below in the description section. Like I said, Royalty Brushes, Torino line, first brush. The pull seems to be amazing. Seems like the grip on it is really good, so we'll see how it goes. It's your boy Truth, Wave Journey, episode 1, brush review, Torino, Royalty, 710, medium to hard, Lakers colorway, Mamba colorway, the Mamba brush right here. It's your boy Truth, I'm out.